Hey, Gary, Mariah, thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I want to talk about Prime Electric, but before we get into that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Joshua Gutierrez. I'm with Scenic Spark SEO, and I want to talk about three different topics today. The first topic being content, second being backlinks and keywords, and the third topic being citations. So with that, let's get to it. So when you type in electrician Albuquerque, New Mexico, you get the top companies that are ranking in the top here of the map pack. We'll get more into the map pack later on. But you have Yelp showing up on the top of the organics, along with Angie and Wagner Mechanical, which is your competitor. And I will explain a little bit more in detail with that. So I scrolled down all the way and I could not find your website. So I just went ahead and typed it in. Here's your website right here. I just want to point out it is not secure, and basically it could use a lot of work. I mean, it's got these little tabs here. I mean, you have your address and your phone numbers and whatnot, but what Google really loves to look for in content is 1,500 to 2,000 keywords, or excuse me, words of content. So basically, in a nutshell, just by looking at this, let's see how many you got here. We'll just type it in, or excuse me, plug it into the word counter. You have 325 words of content. Okay, now let's go back. Let's go look at your competitor and see what they have. So we got Wagner Mechanical. And before we get into that, I just want to say that Yelp and Angie, we can beat these guys because they're at a national level. So that's why they're up here at the top, but they are not focus driven on being in Albuquerque in the service area. So that is why we can beat them. So that's why we got to beat these guys, because the Wagner Mechanical is showing in that service area. So if we beat them, we could beat these guys. So let's go ahead and pull up their website. And it's not a bad looking site. I mean, it's okay. It could still use some work. I tell you right now, this probably has around 700 words of content. So let's take a look and kind of see what we got here. Okay. Yeah, so about 718 words of content. They definitely need help with theirs as well, and we could blow them out of the water if we put 1,500 to 2,000, like way, way above them. So with that, that's pretty much all I have for content. Second thing I want to discuss is backlinks and also keywords. So let's go click onto this tool that I purchased. It's called Ahrefs. And I took the liberty and I plugged in your website. And what we're looking at here is the UR. And this basically shows the strength of your website at a 100 point scale. And this, the DR, shows the trust that Google has for your website. It's pretty low. So basically you have 265 backlinks going to your website and 40 referring domains. These are the most important ones here. So with that, let's look at your competitor. Now they got the same amount of domains, but they only have 61 backlinks. So to explain their trust on why it's ranking so high is they have decent organic backlinks referring back to their page. So instead of like if someone searches for uh, Pizza Hut, they're not going to show up on theirs, for an example. So let's talk a little bit about keywords. So keywords, they have 121 organic keywords that are keeping them ranked number 4th position on the top. So the cool thing is we have access to all this, all these keywords, all the volume and the KD, Everything that they have, we have access to. So we can use all these organics. We could click on referring domains, and basically, in a nutshell, we could just see what they got and put it all to good use and embed it all in your site. So with that, that's pretty much all I have for you for backlinks and keywords. We just got to do what they're doing and then a little bit more, and then that'll get us to beat them with backlinking and keywords. So the third thing I want to talk about is citations. Now let's go back over here when we were discussing the map pack, as we were discussing in the beginning of this video. So let's scroll back here. Sorry about that, computer's working a little bit slow tonight. Okay, just type that back in. Okay, so here we go. So when you type in electrician, Albuquerque, New Mexico, you have these top three businesses up here. Desert States Electric is the top competitor when you type in electrician, Albuquerque, New Mexico. To get up here, they basically just have to have their GMP profile all the way 100% with everything completed. So basically what citations are, it's like a digital footprint for your business, and it's like a digital phone book for your business. So it just tells people like where you're at and how to reach you, excuse me, and things of that nature. So in a nutshell, I mean, that's basically what all I have for you. I mean, in order to beat these guys, we just gotta kind of see what they're doing, and then do a little bit extra, and then you could definitely knock these guys to the second slot. So with that, I hope that this information is valuable to you, and I hope that you could use this anytime, and it's free. It's your information, and if you need somebody to do this kind of work for you, just reach out to me. If not, no harm, no foul. But this is your information, free to use, and I hope to hear from you guys soon, and I hope you enjoy the video. With that, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.